How can you check Watkins Glen Gorge Trail for closures? Imagine planning your perfect day at Watkins Glen State Park and wondering if the Gorge Trail is open. To find out, you need to look at official sources managed by New York State Parks. The most reliable way is to visit the official Watkins Glen State Park website or the New York State Parks website. These sites regularly post updates about trail conditions, closures, and maintenance work. You can see if sections of the trail are temporarily closed or if there are any ongoing construction projects. Another good step is to call the Watkins Glen State Park Visitor Center directly at 607-535-4511. The staff there can give you the latest information on trail access and any closures. For example, if there is bridge construction happening at the Gorge Trail, they will tell you about it. Currently, the main tunnel entrance and Sentry Bridge are closed starting July 7, 2025, for bridge work. This closure is expected to last until summer 2026, but the park might have updates if plans change. Seasonal closures are also common. The Gorge Trail usually opens in mid-May and closes in late October or early November because of safety concerns like falling rocks during winter. When you arrive, look for posted trail maps and signs at park entrances. These usually show which parts of the trail are open or closed and suggest detours if needed. During the busy summer months, shuttle services are often available to help visitors reach different parts of the park and avoid closed sections. Always check the official sources before your visit to avoid surprises. This way, you can plan your adventure around any closures and still enjoy the stunning scenery of the Finger Lakes region. Remember, the park management prioritizes your safety and the preservation of the trail, so staying informed helps you have a smooth, enjoyable experience exploring Watkins Glen State Park Gorge Trail.